Good morning, students. Welcome all of you to your computer class. As today we were learning about object-oriented programming as well as about the objects. Okay, we have already discussed about the objects. In short, I would like to once again tell you object is an example of your class. Object is an example of your class. Every object will have its own attributes or data and methods or functions. Okay, so today we will be learning about the class. But before we start the topic, I would like to ask you certain things. Do you know when we construct a house, before that, what we do? Do you have any idea about it? Actually, before we construct a house, first of all, we make a plan or a design of that particular house. The plan or the design of the house is not a house itself. It's mere a plan or a design from which we can create or we can construct a house. So house will be an object, whereas the design or the plan what you have done it before is known as a class. Exactly like that. Class is nothing but it is just a design or it is just a plan in order to create objects. Remember, students, once you created class, then you can create any number of objects from that particular class. Okay, so let us go through the book. A class defines the common properties of objects. That means class is something that defines all the properties or the common properties of a particular objects. Whatever you see around yourself is an object. Maybe your chair, maybe your sofa, maybe your bed, maybe your pen, fan, whatever you see around yourself in your study room is an object, and definitely they belongs to a particular class. For example, your chair, your study table, your bed, they belongs to the furniture class. Okay, so exactly like that, class means what? That defines the common properties of objects. It is just a blueprint. As I told you, class is just a blueprint, or you can say design or a plan. So class is just a blueprint, plan or design of the object. That means class is nothing but it's just a blueprint or a plan or a design. Why the design is needed? We need it to create objects of same type. That's why at the beginning it is said a class defines the common properties of objects. So this allow us to make many objects of the same class. We have already spoken about one class, that is men class. For example, in my last video we discussed about the men class. So suppose men is a class, then every man what you see around yourself are an object of the men class. Why? Because every man what you look around yourself, they adopt the properties of that particular class. All men are almost same, isn't it? So every man that is object of men class has name and address. So, and in the last video we have discussed every object will have its own attributes or data and behavior or methods or function. In last class I had given you an example of, suppose boy is a class, then what will be an example of boy? Maybe Rahul, and Rahul is an object. Okay, so Rahul is an object of the boy class. Like that, every man that is object of men class has name and address and functions like eating, walking. This eating and walking are the functions or methods, whereas the name, address is the datas or attributes. Thus, all the objects of main class will have the same properties and same functions. That means you see any object that belongs to a particular class will inherit all the properties of that particular class. They will have all the properties of that particular class to which it belongs. So in object oriented programming, when we define a class, we must define the data and methods of that class, and every object of that class will have those data and methods. Remember, object oriented programming, when we are developing object oriented programming, at that time our focus is only on objects. We give more importance on the objects, that means on datas and functions or the methods. So when you are defining a class, then you have to define the data and methods, attributes and the methods we have to define. So once class is created, that means once the design is created, any number of objects can be created from that particular design. Okay, that design, that blueprint or that plan is called as your class. Class is nothing but it's just a plan or a design or a blueprint. Okay, once the blueprint is ready, then any number of objects can be created from that particular blueprint, right? So let's see here what it is here. But different objects of the class can have different values stored in its property. That is, objects of main class such as Rahul, Pramod, Mahesh have different names, addresses, mobile numbers. Suppose main is a class, then what are the objects of main class? Maybe Rahul, Pramod and Mahesh, isn't it? Everyone have the name, but just you see they have the different names, different heights, different weights, isn't it? But the name is common in everywhere. The names may not be same, but name is common. Okay, so class, once again I am explaining you, class is nothing but class is just a blueprint in order to create an object, right? Look at this example. You can see here, suppose this is Pramod, this is Rahul and this is Mahesh, and these are the datas of theirs. And datas are called as the attributes or the datas, that's name and mobile number. What can be the methods? You can eat, sleep, walk, all these are the methods of these objects. So remember, objects are created only from the class. Object have no existence without this class. Okay, but remember, class doesn't have any existence, only the object exists. So here you can see the definition of class as well as an object. A class is template defining the properties and behavior of the object it defines, whereas an object is a specific instance. Instance means an example. Object is an example of a class containing the real values instead of variables. These are the two definitions you please learn by heart. So today you learn only what is a class and their definition. Okay, so your homework will be, you define the class, you define an object and try to distinguish between the class and object. Thank you very much.